Where?
No, that is water.
Great. That's beautiful, Dad. Good job.
How in the hell are we going to
Good job, Dad. Great. Oh, that's just great. Oh boy, used the wrong soap. Yeah. Sweet. Is it wrong that I find this hysterical? I did a good laugh tonight. Oh man. It's just the wrong soap, that's all. It's not broken or anything, I'm sure. Yeah. You're just gonna leave it?
Well, what else are we going to do until it's finished?
I don't know. It's just leaving it. Welcome to our household. What do you think, Vi? You found it. Hey, woman. Look. What do you think? Oh man. It's gonna be all over the floor. Just get out some sponges and we'll clean the floor.